Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2014 Victory Cross Country Touring. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2014 Victory Cross Country Touring with 19,524 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, heated grips and seats, and a multifunction 2-speaker audio system. It's been upgraded with a California sidecar TRIKE kit, a windscreen, passenger floorboards, and a trailer hitch. Powered by a 106 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Cross Country puts 96 horsepower and 106 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 5.8-gallon fuel capacity, the Cross Country has a 200 to 245 mile range. It has a 26.3 inch seat height, and in stock form, an 845-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this trike's charging output at 14 volts. The front tire is at 430 seconds, and both rear tires are at 730 seconds. We took this trike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this trike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this trike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a paint chip on the rear fender, imperfections on the rear fender, and scratches on the taillight lens. This trike has an owner's manual, a toolkit, 2 keys, and 1 fob. It has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This trike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the full program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.